Hey everyone, Jason here from Off the Beaten Path. This is the King's 85 litre upright fridge that I've gone for the 76. Yes, it's a King's fridge. Two reasons for that. Price was definitely a factor. Picked this up for just over $500 on sale, and I watched a lot of reviews that people pulled these things apart. They were very similar compressors, very similar construction to the Bushman fridges. Maybe not exactly the same, but at 1/3 the price, hard to argue. The other one is because I'm lazy. These guys have a center mounted handle, which means if you want to change the way the door opens, so this is the front of the fridge, I've got it laying down because I'm going to move it. But at the moment the fridge door opens this way, I want it to open that way. So if you're going to change that on the Bushman fridges, you've got to move the handle and you're left with two holes in the front, and it's really annoying. Center mounted handle, not an issue. So never done this before, but apparently it's as simple as removing a few screws and swapping the brackets diagonally. So we'll see if that proves to be true or not. Okay, 3 out of there. Same on this side. Okay, so that should all just sort of come off now. Aha. Right, I think that one's going to need something else. That's all right. We'll go around and do the other side. Probably want to come around this side, dude. So, oh yeah, so that one's actually got the pin in it, which will probably allow me to get the other one out now. We'll just take this last bracket off. Okay. I'm going to assume that lifting the door out like that was the right thing to do, because yeah, that lets me get this out. Now, from what I understand, this goes down here. These are actually the same. Oh, I see. Okay. So, in the instructions, it tells you to swap these diagonally. That didn't make sense to me, but what you can probably see there is that the pin is actually off center. So if you just swap these sort of top to bottom, it's not going to work. The door's orientation is going to be wrong, so you do have to take the one from the top and put it on the bottom down here. So let's do that. All right, we'll grab the screws that this one had in it. What we might do as well is we might put the door back into place. I'm going to say we actually want to be doing this top one first, because that's going to be the hardest one to get in, because there's this little cover here. So I reckon we want to be doing that one first. I reckon, yeah, that's the go. Okay, yep, and there's a slot. Yeah, I reckon that's the go. Okay, so that's these guys. There's a lip on the bottom side of this little front fascia here, and this piece has to slot up inside that in order to get the holes for the brackets to line up. Of course, the instructions don't mention that. So that's how you get it to fit, because initially it was not lining up at all. So not doing these up super tight. This is on the lowest clutch setting. All right, see how this door fits now. Line that up. Okay. Very promising. Very promising. This one doesn't have a fascia to line up, it's just basically just the pin in the door. Alright, last bracket around this bottom corner and we're good to go. There we go. So here's the test. Does the door open? Yes, it does. So these have magnets in the rubber as well that help them seal. And that looks like that's sealing nicely all the way around. So pretty happy with that. Quick 10-minute job. Don't mind me sweating. I sweat the minute I start thinking about doing anything physical. So yeah, looking forward to seeing how this goes. Look, push comes to shove, if it ends up not being a good thing, I'll probably replace it with a Bushman down the track when I've got more cash. But hopefully that doesn't happen. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful. Quick, easy door swap on the King's 85 litre upright fridge. Thanks, guys.